Today we're checking out Mauna Linux 25 Polaris, a fresh release of a Debian-based distro that aims to be easy, fast, and elegant. If you're curious about a Linux distro that's beginner-friendly but also powerful, stay tuned. We'll walk through installation, first boot, settings, desktop environments, window managers, and more. Let's dive in. First, let's check what is Mauna Linux and what's new in 2025 release. Mauna Linux is a Debian-based distribution designed to be simple, complete, and aesthetically pleasing, suitable for both beginners and advanced users. The new 2025 release, Mauna Linux 25 Polaris, is based on Debian 13.1 Trixie and brings various updates under the hood. Kernel 6.12 LTS, refreshed firmware, updated apps, and importantly, adds a GNOME 48 edition. Previously, Mauna Linux offered desktop environments like Cinnamon, LXQt, Mate, and Xfce. Now, GNOME joins as a fifth option, giving users more flexibility depending on their hardware or preference. Out of the box, Mauna also provides a custom software repository and a built-in software manager updater for easy app installation and maintenance. Why this matters for users? It means you get a stable Debian base plus a ready-to-use desktop with multimedia, codecs, Office suite, etc., plus choice of DE. So you don't need to manually assemble a Linux system from scratch. Let's head over to installation and then first boot. Download the ISO. Head over to the official Mauna Linux page or its mirror or SourceForge and download the ISO for the edition you want: Cinnamon, Mate, LXQt, Xfce, or GNOME. Create bootable USB. Use tools like Rufus, Etcher, or any preferred ISO to USB writer to flash the ISO onto a USB stick. Boot from USB. Insert USB in your PC, reboot, and choose USB boot. Works with both BIOS and UEFI. Mauna supports both. Run installer. The distro uses a friendly installer, often Calamaris, for guided installation to hard drive. Post-install or first boot. Once installed and you reboot, you land in your chosen desktop environment. At first run, Mauna comes preloaded with useful defaults, Office suite, codecs, basic apps, so it's ready to go. You may want to update the system after first boot. Open the software manager or updater and install any updates, especially firmware and security patches. Desktop environments, window managers, and settings. Since one of the strong points of Mauna Linux is choice of desktop environment or window manager, here's what you get and how to pick or configure. These are the supported DEs in version 25. GNOME v48, the new edition. Good if you like modern, polished UI, GNOME-style workflow. Cinnamon, a traditional but modern-looking desktop familiar for users migrating from Windows or other DEs. LXQt, lightweight DE, ideal for older or less powerful hardware. Mate, classic desktop for users who like simplicity and a traditional layout. And Xfce in the AHE, or Advanced Hardware Enablement Edition, another lightweight and stable option if you prefer minimalism or have an older machine. Because of this flexibility, you can tailor Mauna to almost any PC, from a powerful workstation to a low-spec older PC, by picking the right DE. Now let's move to settings and configuration tips. Use the built-in software manager, Mauna Install, to install additional applications or remove unwanted ones. If you want Office productivity, the default Office suite is only Office desktop editors, ready to use for docs, spreadsheets, presentations, PDF editing, etc. Multimedia. As Mauna comes with pre-configured codecs and multimedia apps, you should be able to play audio and video without extra setup. Great for new Linux users. So, who is Mauna Linux for? Mainly for beginners to Linux. The out-of-the-box, ready desktop, friendly installer, pre-installed apps make Mauna ideal if you're new to Linux. For older or low-spec PCs, With lightweight DE options like LXQt, Xfce, Mate, you can get decent performance even on old hardware. And users wanting a ready-to-use desktop. If you want a system where surfing, office work, media playback works after install, Mauna gives that by default. No need for manual configuration. And those who like flexibility. The ability to choose among 5 DEs, custom repo plus software manager provides flexibility to customize according to taste or system. All right, that was a quick tour of Mauna Linux 25 Polaris. If you liked this walkthrough, hit like, subscribe if you want more Linux distro reviews or guides, and drop a comment if you've tried Mauna or plan to. I'd love to hear your experience, which desktop environment you chose, how performance is on your machine, etc. Until next time, happy computing.